you guys, we got a treat. It's one of my favorites. I have a lot of favorites, but banana nut bread. Okay, let me calm down. I had to make this banana nut bread because I had 2 bananas left over from when I made banana cheesecake, and it was getting like, they were really ripe, y'all, like almost black ripe. So what I did was put them in the freezer, so they, then I brought them out. They just said they wouldn't go eat, worse than what they already were. And so then I put them in the with the refrigerator I have to defrost. Then I mashed those up. So these, I have 2 bananas mashed up already, you guys. Here we have lemon juice, eggs. I already have my flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, which is, this here is 1 3/4 cup. What you would do, you guys, let me just show you, because some people, when they use measuring, usually I do my baking from a scale, but this recipe didn't call for scale, like ounces and grams, because the scale is more accurate than using cups. Because what most people do is they'll get their flour and they'll pack it down. So then, and then I'll make their cakes or something, and they'll be like, the cake was too hard or too dense, and that's not what they wanted, or wasn't this or wasn't that. The thing, okay, you would do with flour is you would actually lift it and put it in. All your flour, and then when you get it in, you get a knife and just, lever it off. So you don't want to pack it, you're loose. You want it to be loose. Yeah, see, now I gotta wash another dish, y'all. Anyway, so that's what I did, guys. Then we have sour cream, melted butter, sugar, and walnuts. Oh, and of course my vanilla extract. You don't have to add any nuts if you don't like nuts or you're allergic to nuts, or you can add, pecans or whatever. Just add whatever you want. I like them all. Then I have my 9x5 glass dish pan. What I'm gonna do here, y'all, I'm tearing up everything, y'all. What I'm gonna do here is just spray it. And over here. Put this up there. Now to get started, we'll start with the sugar and the butter. And remember, it's melted butter, guys. So I'm really excited for this recipe, you guys, because I really haven't had or anybody make me a good banana bread in a long time. So I'm hoping that this is an awesome recipe. It sounds like it was by the reviews, but we will see. So we'll mix that up together, guys. We'll add 1 of the eggs. You gotta get mixed up in there. You add the second egg. And actually, about these eggs, you guys, we have a lovely couple at our church who have chickens. And they are so sweet, and they bring us eggs a lot. So I'm so grateful for them. Then we have our lemon juice, which is 1 teaspoon, and our vanilla extract, which I forgot to put in a dish, so I have to do it like this. And we just mix it all together. Okay, you guys, I got everything in here mixed. Just scraping down to make sure I didn't get anything. You know how that gets, y'all. Oh, sorry, Iron. Did I get that on you, girl? Okay, then we're gonna add our flour mixture. And remember, you can sift this before you put it all. You can put it all together, guys. You just didn't see me do all that. Then we're gonna mix this up until it's all mixed up and incorporated. Okay, guys, I mixed the flour in with this. This is what it's looking like. Just gonna get all this up here. Now the last 3 ingredients, I'm gonna do it by hand because we don't want to overbeat it or over mix it. Now, I'm gonna add in our sour cream. Okay. Our bananas and our nuts. I'm gonna try to fold this in without, I just want to get it until it's mixed in, you guys. So see all that? Actually, I tasted this, you guys, before I added this stuff when I was taking the beaters off. the batter itself is actually pretty good. So I wish you could smell the bananas. It's amazing. I don't know, Ariana, are you gonna eat some of this? Do you like? I mean, you don't really care for bananas, do you, honey? I know, you guys. She's so weird. She don't even like banana pudding. Whenever I make banana pudding, she's like, "Make me some without the bananas, Mom." And I'm like, "Then it's not banana pudding," you know? Her and my husband. So it's like I make two different container, dishes of, what is it? Banana pudding. Mine with the bananas in and the Nutella wafers, and then for him and her with no bananas. I'm telling y'all, I got a weird family. Now, I think that's pretty. Ariana, you think it mix up well? Yeah. Okay, you guys, what I'm going to do next is put it in my prepared dish. I'm getting excited about this, guys. I might have to do my happy dance again. Oh, can you see that, honey? Or am I not in the way? Okay. Y'all, we want to get all of this deliciousness in here, you guys. So I'm gonna leave not one drop. Okay. I'm just gonna sort of throw in all this here. I'm trying to clean up my dish, you guys. So it'll be pretty, Okay, you guys see that? Now I'm going to put it in my oven. It's 350 degrees preheated, and it's supposed to cook for 50 minutes. So we'll be back in 50 minutes. Okay, you guys, I just took it out the oven. I probably let it stay in for like, what, 55 minutes, Ariana? It's like 55 minutes to an hour. And you see it's looking beautiful, guys. I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes to cool down, and then take it out and let it sit down let it cool the rest of the way on a wire rack. And then when it's all the way completely cooled down, we'll cut a piece and give our verdict. So see you guys later. So last night, okay, I let this, I'm sit for 10 minutes, and then I wrapped it up and just waited until the morning because it was really late. So we're gonna cut this. It looks really, really good, you guys. See, got the walnuts in here and everything. So it's got all that. So let's try this. You can taste the banana here, you guys. I really like this. What would go good with this would be some coffee or tea. And me, I just love having butter on my banana bread and melting it. I don't know why, but it's just me. But this recipe here is a keeper also, you guys. So the recipe will be in the box. And I like my video. And then next week, I don't know what we're gonna make, but I'll surprise you in Mama Don's kitchen. So until next week, God bless you.